I can see the hill where Jesus died for me so many years ago, but it's still the same today. The cross in the middle, the cross at Calvary was where He suffered. I can still hear Him pray. Father, forgive them, for they know not what they do. Yonder on the hill where Jesus died for me, the cross was meant for me and you and all kind. I was crucified with Jesus. Don't you see? The mark of sin from me has been left far behind. I can still remember the hopeless life I lead, the hate and envy, the selfishness and pride. Then Jesus came along. He showed me an I believe He lives in me today. He showed me where I died, When my life is over, I know just where I'll be. I'll be with my Savior, so don't shed any tear for me. I'll be in heaven, praising the Lord forevermore. Never again forsaken, Jesus will open the door. Jesus will open the door. Love me.